skin looks really oily right now. You know, when you go through those certain points of your cycles, ladies, and your skin just looks really glowy, and you know, I guess I'm ovulating. That's when it is. So when you ovulate, like your face gets this nice fresh glow, I guess, to like attract men, because that's when you're fertile. But yeah, I think that's what I'm going through right now. My phone hasn't been, because my phone actually tells me when I ovulate, but I'm guessing because just looking at my face right now, it is pretty oily. But I'm not trying to attract anybody. No egg fertilizer right now. Anyways, so today I'm coming with you, the box is already open, but with a review on the Crystal Secret Pore Cleanser Suction Device. I've seen a lot of these going around on Facebook where people have been using these to take out their blackheads, and the reviews are always super great. So I figured I'd try this out and show you guys how it kind of works for my skin. But first off, what do? I start off with clean skin, typically exfoliation and washing my face. But for the purposes here today, I'm just going to steam my face and we're going to get straight to it. So I've got a bowl of water, very hot water. You have to be very careful with this. And again, I don't have a degree in any of this stuff, cosmetology, anything. So as far as I'm concerned, this is just what I do for my skin. Okay, I'm just waiting. But anyways, I start off with like hot water, and typically I'm in my restroom when I do this. But I have a bowl of hot water in front of me, and what I do is I just steam my face. That opens up your pores, gets everything nice and melty. But if I get a hot bowl of water, I just put my face up over it and let the steam just circulate on my face. You can even dip a rag in it and put it on your face and let it sit there for like 5 minutes. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and steam. 5 minutes later. So again, I'm going to review this, and it comes with 4 nozzles. Ooh, and it's like a rose gold type of pink. I really like this baby. Sleek, pretty, huh? Okay. And so you've got a little bitty nozzle that's kind of oblong that comes with it. You've got a round nozzle that's kind of small. And you've got an exfoliating nozzle piece. And then I guess these are just replacement pieces that come with it. And then you've got the big one. The big circular nozzle that goes on there. I don't have many blackheads. Well, I don't have any blackheads on my face right now, or pimples for that matter. Maybe on my T-zone area I can get some stuff going. But I'm also gonna just dampen my face a little bit since it's dried, since I've steamed a little bit for you guys. Here we go. You just flick it on, and it says not to leave this for more than 1 second in any area. I don't see it getting anything. And maybe it is. I just can't. Hold on. My face turned red? There she goes. I get little whiteheads like around my nose area right there. I guess there's a little bump right there. Y'all, my skin is turning red. Oh, shit. I mean, I don't think I'm keeping it in the same area. Okay, I guess I see a little bit in there. And for people with sensitive skin, like I have super sensitive skin, so it's expected that I'm gonna turn reddish when I do stuff like this. And I will say, the first time I did this, I got a hickey on my face. But I also think that was because I left it in an area where too long. I won't say it was the device. I'll say it was me not using the device correctly. But even just using it correctly, you're still gonna get like a little bit of redness. I mean, I guess to me, honestly, I feel like this is more for people that may have a lot of whiteheads on their face. I don't necessarily have a lot. So it's not something that really I feel like worked necessarily for me. Not that it's a bad product at all. Like I think it's great for people that deal with those on a more common basis, on a regular basis. I'm sorry. So yeah, my final take on this is it's a cool little device. It's got a good idea behind it. Like I would like to honestly use this on somebody's face because I like to pop other people's pimples. So I could see myself using this on someone else's face and sucking all this stuff